this is a witch hunt, it's a hoax. Thank you.
After a last-minute Hail Mary attempt to delay a New York criminal trial over alleged hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels, Donald Trump appears to have exhausted all efforts to push back a case expected to begin this coming Monday. The first order of business will be jury selection. No simple task when the defendant is a former president and current White House candidate.
Whenever there's a very high-profile case that gets a lot of pre-trial publicity, invariably people will have heard about the case.
Robert Mintz is a former federal prosecutor and partner at McCarter in English.
Well, it would be a difficult case to get a jury to serve on, no matter where you had it in the country. Certainly, there's been a lot of media attention in New York, but I do think that they can, over time, and it may take some time to impanel a jury, but they will be able to find jurors who will be able to say that they will be able to make a decision impartially based solely on the evidence that's presented at the trial, and that they have no preconceived notions as to whether or not the defendant is guilty of the crimes.
I don't know how you can have a trial that's going on right in the middle of an election. Not fair.
Trump has pleaded not guilty and claimed the prosecution is politically motivated. The New York charges for concealing payments may be the lowest level of any of the 4 criminal cases facing the former president, but they may be high stakes for the Republican candidate, who will challenge Democratic President Joe Biden in November. A Reuters Ipsos poll published Wednesday found that some 64% of registered voters described the charges in the hush money trial as at least somewhat serious, compared to 34% who said the charges lacked seriousness. The poll also showed that any criminal conviction could take a heavy toll on Trump's presidential aspirations. Meanwhile, there was another black eye for the former president Wednesday. Alan Weisselberg, former Trump Organization chief financial officer, was sentenced to 5 months in jail after pleading guilty last month to perjury charges for lying to investigators and a judge about Trump's finances.